Hello, Parnassians. It's me, Magister Beck again. I have a fun activity that you can do with your siblings or your mom and dad at home or any of your family members that are living with you. So, for the 2 days that you are at home doing distance learning and you're not at school seeing Magister Cole, myself, or Mr. Mangold, you can do this activity with your family. It's an easy game of rock, paper, scissors. So, with one other person in your family, you're going to go rock, paper, scissors, shoot, and you're going to throw a rock, a paper, or scissors. So if I throw paper and my person I'm playing with, let's say it's little Johnny, I throw paper, he throws scissors. Scissors beats paper, so I lose, he wins, and he tells me to do 5 exercises or 5 repetitions of a certain exercise. So maybe he wants me to do push-ups. So then I go down and do 5 push-ups, and then we play again. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. And I throw rock, and he throws scissors. Rock beats scissors, so I tell little Johnny to do, let's say, maybe 5 burpees. So I want to see him do 5 burpees before we continue and play again. And you can play this for as long as you want. Think of as many different exercises as you want, so you're not doing the same thing. Have a little bit of variety. But that's a fun activity that you can do with your siblings or any of your family members at home to get those 5 participation points for Phi Ed on any given day. And I'll be back sometime soon with another fun activity for you guys to play at home. Have a good one, Parnassians.